again. Welcome back to the last three letters of the alphabet, X, Y, and Z. Let's go! Now let's mix it up a little bit. Okay, now for the hard stuff. Let's try it without looking. Congratulations, we finished the entire alphabet. Now, of course, you're going to need to go back and practice these a million more times. But hopefully this got you started, it introduced you to the letters, and you can refer to this at any time. You can fast forward, you can slow it down, you can speed up these videos as much as you want. But I encourage you to go out and give it a try, get on the air, and let's hear your Morse code.